Ayan mga kalingdog, good morning! Meron tayong rice with kinisang itlog. And of course, we have this, the fish is really nice. I don't know what do you call this? It's in the can. Ayan, sa can siya. Sa can, nasa lata. And we have, of course, the pipino or the gurkle. Ayan, I put some vinegar, garlic, and ground pepper. O diba? Ang sarap mga kalindog. Kain tayo. This is now my breakfast. O diba? Every morning have a other breakfast. Really yummy. Ayan, diba? Yummy, yummy. Mga kalindog. Let us eat. Yummy. And of course, alam niyo ba sino yung naiinggit? Ayan, ang inggitera. Oh, tignan nyo. Vicky. Ayan ang ating inggitera na laging nagbabantay. Ayan, so, mga kalindog, I need to eat, having my breakfast. So, see you. Thank you. Sarap-sarap. Yummy, yummy.